Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 9, air pollution. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture 6, comprehension and to learn dictation words. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about copy and take dictation words studied in class. So we can recall this lecture if you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's learning outcomes are copy and take dictation of words studied in class. Yes, my dear students, this is beautiful verse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mulk, verse number 60-61, is the reward for good anything but good. So, which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the blessings of Almighty Allah that Allah Almighty has showered upon us, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking that which blessing you will deny, you will refuse. So I have given you a lot of and uncountable blessings of Allah, and always Allah Almighty favors to us in every situation. Yes, my dear students, let's refresh our knowledge. Pre-reading question is there. How we can reduce pollution? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video, get answer from your students and then come back. I hope you have done it in an excellent way. Good job. Today we are going to start our rest of the lesson that we have left. So today we will start our 4th paragraph. Yes, one of the major reasons that cause air pollution is the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels include coal, oil and natural gas. When we burn fossil fuels, all sorts of gases release. Yes, my dear students, this is also, there is another major reason, main reason for air pollution is the burning of fossil fuels that we usually use that as natural gas, coal, oil. So such type of gases are also the main cause of air pollution, because when we burn them, my dear students, so different gases release into the air. So what does the word release? And while reading question is there, what is the major reason of air pollution? Yes, my dear teacher, get this answer from your student and then come back. Good. I hope you have searched it and you have responded. Yes, into the air causing pollution. The substance that causes air pollution is called a pollutant. Smoke emitting vehicles is another main cause of air pollution. Yes, my dear students, that all substance that causes air pollution, these substances are called pollutant. And smoke emitting vehicles, when we are driving vehicles, definitely different vehicles are emitting, giving out smoke. It is also the main cause of air pollution. Yes, what does the word substance means? Materials, different items. Yes, my dear students, and emit means discharge, give out. Yes, my dear students, there is a question for you. What is a pollutant? Yes, search answer from these lines and then come back. I hope you have searched it. Good. You are, mashallah, so genius, guys. Yes, it can cause diseases like lungs cancer, respiratory infections, and asthma. Minor effects of air pollution include irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat. Yes, my dear students, air pollution also causes different diseases in human beings, and it can create lungs cancer and infections in our respiration and asthma, that when we feel difficulty to breathe. So these are also causes and minor effects of air pollutions, usually that we can get anytime, are irritation in the eyes, nose, and in our throat. So we must save ourselves and save our country from air pollution. So my dear students, we can take few steps also as where we are. Yes, what does the word mean? Respiratory, related to breathing. The process of breathing, when we breathe, this is called respiratory system. And asthma, breathing disease, when we feel difficulty in breathing, this is called asthma. Yes, there is a question. List down the diseases that are caused by air pollution. I have already discussed, my dear students. Yes, my dear teachers, get answer from students and then come back. Excellent job. I hope you have done it. Frequent contact with air pollution affects the lungs of growing children. Yes, my dear students, growing children, you are already children, so this frequent contact with polluted air can cause that, also give affects the lungs of growing children. So air pollution can be reduced in different ways. Using less amount of fossil fuels, gas and oil can help in reducing air pollution. Walking on foot or riding a bicycle for short distances may help in controlling air pollution. Yes, my dear students, here are few ways that how we can reduce air pollution. So which ways are there? So we must use less amount of fossil fuels like gas and oil. It can help to reduce air pollution. And walking on foot, and it's also beneficial for our health also when we walk by foot or we ride a bicycle. So it's so helpful for us also, and also it helps to reduce pollution in the air. Similarly, we should avoid using personal vehicles for long distances. Government should encourage people to use public transport and promote work from home culture to reduce air pollution. Yes, my dear students, they are also giving us that, telling us that their government should also play its role to reduce air pollution, that it can modify, it can give best, like public transports can provide us, and so that personal vehicles should not be used for long distances also. In this way we can reduce air pollution, and it's so compulsory that air must be neat and clean because it's so good, so it's necessary and the basic human need. Without air, we know that we cannot survive. So there is a question, post reading question is there. What should the government do to reduce air pollution? Yes, my dear students, I hope you have found it. So give answer that what government should do to reduce air pollution. So good, excellent job. Air pollution is the greatest challenge We need to overcome it to ensure a healthy future. Yes, my dear students. So already we have a future ahead, same as you have a future ahead. For a healthy and a safe future, we have to overcome, we have to control air pollution. It's so necessary because it's a greatest challenge in the world. So what is the word challenge mean? Problem that we are facing in the shape of air pollution. Post reading question is there. What is the greatest challenge? Search out the answer and give answer to your teacher. Excellent job. I hope you have done it, my dear students. So yeah, let's do an activity and learn more about air pollution. Open your book, page number 68. This is an individual activity and already you have learned everything from your book, from text. Question number 3 is there, MCQs. You will mark the correct answer from the given choices. 4 choices are given there. You have to select one and you will write. Do this activity in your class, and also after that you will perform that question number 1. Also you will do that, write these in your notebook. I'm waiting for you, both activities done in your notebook, and then come back. Excellent way. Also there was a question that, question number 2, teacher will write, my dear teacher, write these words on the board and get dictation from your students. Good. I hope you have done it, and you can get these dictation words as a drill that it can give them a better pronunciation skills also. Yes, what's our today homework, my dear students? Make sentences of the dictation words given in question number 2 on book, page number 63 in your notebook. You will write that, you will make sentences of these dictation words that already today we have learned in our class. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet is given below. Click it, download it and provide it to your student in printed form. So what's our wrap up? What we have learned today? We learned today how we can copy and learn dictation of difficult words. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, copy and take dictation of words studied in class. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have learned many things about this chapter. So with the new chapter and with the new lecture, we will meet soon, inshallah. See you soon. Stay blessed.